Hey everyone, this is Justin, your tech buddy, with another tutorial. Thank you, Amelia, for this suggested tutorial of how to download pictures and videos from your iPhone to an external hard drive to get more storage on your iPhone. The first thing you will need to do is figure out what kind of plug your computer uses. Mine uses a USB-C cable, which looks like this. The older Macs use normal USB cables, which look like this. Next, you will need to buy a portable hard drive. Here is the one I am using. This portable hard drive has 4 terabytes, which is specifically used for a Mac. It is pretty small for so much storage it has on it. Here is the size of it. The hard drive includes the USB-C cable, and also, which is pretty handy, it comes with an older Mac plug that you can plug in the USB-C cable to a older Mac. This one I'm using right now will be in the description below. I bought this hard drive from Amazon. If you wish to buy this hard drive, it is in the description below. If you have tons of pictures and videos you would like to download, I would suggest getting a hard drive with at least 4 terabytes. In this tutorial, I will be using a newer MacBook Pro. Plug in your portable hard drive to your Mac. Once it comes up, it should be right around here. Next, plug in your iPhone to your Mac. If you haven't synced your iPhone, do this first. You will always have a backup of your iPhone on your Mac in case something happens. To do this process, go to the music app on your dock. Then, on the left side panel, under Devices, your iPhone name should be there if your iPhone is plugged in. Click your iPhone name to open it. Next, go to Sync Settings in the top right-hand corner. Under Backups, the option Backup all the data on your iPhone to this Mac should be selected. Before you start backing up your iPhone to your Mac, go through all these tabs to see which items you would like to back up. Once you have finished going through all these tabs, go back to General, and you can now start backing up your iPhone to your Mac by clicking Backup Now. Depending on how many items you have to back up, this process should take a while. Once the sync process is finished, go to the Photos app on your dock. This looks exactly like the same one on your iPhone. On the left side panel, underneath Devices, should be your iPhone name. Click your iPhone name to see all of your iPhone's photos and videos, that you wish to download. On the top left-hand corner of the screen is the Open Photos checkmark box. This will allow the Photos app to open every time you plug in your iPhone to your computer to download new photos and videos. If you haven't synced your iPhone to this computer, all of your items should be selected to import all new items. To start downloading all of your new pictures and videos to your Mac, click the top right blue Import All New Items. Once this has finished, all of your pictures and videos should be on your Mac. To look at all of your recently downloaded videos and photos, tap the top left blue library button. Once here, you will be able to see all of your photos and videos you wish to select to drag over to your portable hard drive. Before you start selecting pictures and videos to move over to your portable hard drive, close the other windows that are open behind the Photos app. You will need a clear picture of the desktop where the icon is located to start dragging your pictures and videos over. To start selecting multiple pictures and videos in the Photos app, hold down the Command key on your keyboard and drag and click your mouse over each picture and video you wish to drag over to your hard drive. Once you have finished selecting all of your pictures and videos, click and hold your mouse over one picture or video and drag your mouse over to the hard drive until it starts blinking. Then release your finger. As you can see, right here is the progress key where it shows how long it'll take to download to the hard drive. I put videos on this hard drive, so it might take a couple more seconds. Once these pictures and videos have completely downloaded to the hard drive, you need to verify that they are in there. Double click the icon to open your Mac hard drive. Once you have verified that the pictures and videos are in there, you are ready to disconnect your hard drive from your Mac. A lot of people just unplug their hard drives from their Macs. Do not do this. This will mess up every single photo and video you have and won't be able to see them anymore. To safely disconnect your hard drive from your Mac, slide your cursor over to the hard drive icon and right click. Then go up to eject and then the name of your hard drive from your Mac. Once this icon disappears, you are ready to unplug your hard drive from your Mac. Once you have moved over your pictures and videos to your portable hard drive, you can start deleting your photos and videos from your iPhone. Tap Photos app. Library at the bottom left-hand corner. All photos. Then at the top right-hand corner, tap Select to start selecting your pictures and videos you wish to delete. You can start selecting your pictures and videos here. Once you have finished selecting your pictures and videos, tap the bottom right-hand trash can button. To confirm the deleting process, tap the red delete how many ever photos or items if you have videos selected as well. If you like these tutorials, please press the subscribe button below to not miss any upcoming tutorials I have in the future. Have any tutorial suggestions? Please comment in the comment section below this tutorial.